This video we are going to talk about home exercise program for shoulder joint pain. Welcome to Tamil Physiotherapy channel. I am Melvin Durai, physical therapist, senior specialist. Today we are going to talk about home exercise program for shoulder joint pain. The acute stage, you can apply ice pack in the painful area for 3 days. In the later stage of the disease, like chronic stage, periarthritis shoulder, you can apply hot water fomentation. If the pain did not relieve, you can see the physiotherapist who is nearby. You can repeat these exercises 10 times, morning and evening. In case if you felt more pain after the exercises, please apply ice pack for 10 minutes. Please subscribe this channel and share to your friends. Thank you so much. The first one is range of motion exercises. In these exercises, please hold the affected side hand with the unaffected side hand and move the shoulder joint upwards as much as possible. Please do these exercises for 10 times. Then raise both the arms sideways as much as possible for 10 times. Then place both the arms close to the rib cage and with the elbow 90-degree flexed. Then move the forearm outwards and inwards for 10 times. Place both the hands on the shoulder joint and rotate forward and backwards for 10 times. The second one is strengthening exercises. In this exercise, please keep the affected side arm close to the rib cage and elbow should be 90-degree flexed. Then apply the resistance through the unaffected side hand, opposite direction of the movement, outwards and inwards, within the pain-free range or the available range. This can be repeated for 10 times. While maintaining the same position, we can use 1 kg dumbbell or any weight and move the forearm inwards and outwards for 10 times. Gradually we can increase the weight of the dumbbell 1 kg to 2 kg, then 3 kg. You can do this exercise for the unaffected side also. The third one is stretching exercises. Please place both the forearms at shoulder level and move the shoulder joints backwards for 10 times. Please maintain both the elbows in straight position at shoulder level and move the shoulder joint backwards for 10 times. Please maintain both the arms close to the rib cage with the elbow straight and move the shoulder joint backwards for 10 times. And place the affected shoulder joint in forward position with the elbow straight and move the shoulder joint in the opposite direction with the help of the unaffected side hand. Please repeat this for 10 times. This will give you posterior capsule stretch in the shoulder joint. Fourth one is pendular exercises. In this exercise, please place the unaffected hand in a chair and bend forward. Then move the affected shoulder joint forward and backwards and inwards and outwards and rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise for 10 times. The same exercises should be repeated by holding a weight or dumbbell in the affected side hand. This will provide a traction to the affected shoulder joint. Please repeat these exercises for 10 times. Fifth one is finger ladder exercises. In this exercise, please stand arm length away from the wall and climb the wall with the help of the fingers with the elbow straight. Once the range of movement is improved, please move close to the wall. This will improve the shoulder joint sideways movement. If you want to improve the forward movement of the shoulder joint, we should stand by facing the wall and climb the wall with the help of the fingers by maintaining the elbow straight. Once the range of movement is improved, we should move near to the wall. Sixth one is joint approximation technique. In this exercise, place the affected side hand with the elbow straight on the wall and push the wall and maintain for 10 counts. Then second exercise, place both the hands on the wall with the elbow straight and push the wall with the elbow straight and maintain for 10 counts. The seventh one is towel exercises. In this exercise, the upper end of the towel should be held by the unaffected side hand and the lower end of the towel should be held by the affected side hand. Then pull affected side hand upwards with the help of the unaffected side hand. This will improve the internal rotation of the shoulder joint. To improve the external rotation of the shoulder joint, the upper part of the towel should be held by the affected side hand and the lower part of the towel should be held by the unaffected side of the hand. Then pull the affected side shoulder downwards with the help of the unaffected side hand. Next exercise, hold the towel with both the hands and swing the arm inwards and outwards for 10 times. The next exercise, hold the towel by both the hands and lift the shoulder joints upwards with elbow straight for 10 times. If you have any queries, please contact us queries.tamilphysio@gmail.com. Please subscribe our channel and share to your near and dear ones. Thank you so much.